Hello all, my name is Krishnayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, ChatGPT, yes, the talk of the town right now. Obviously, ChatGPT is performing well. You're able to get the solutions quickly. Even for some of my office work and for some of my video ideas, I use ChatGPT. For quick solutions, I definitely go to ChatGPT and ask the questions, right? But the question still comes in our mind, will ChatGPT create our creativity skill? And to tell you the answer directly, guys, it may kill the creativity skills for the future generation and for the current generation also. There was a time, we used to learn each and everything from scratch. We used to probably learn those things, we used to practice those things, and then probably go ahead and do Google search and come up with more amazing things, right? Now, with the help of ChatGPT, obviously, it is a boon to the developers because you get the solution quickly. But understand this generation developers, like we have, like people who are having 5 years experience or 2 years experience, 3 years experience, they have learned something from scratch. And then they probably ask for different kind of solutions with respect to their work, right? With respect to learning anything. And ChatGPT is directly able to give the answer. For us, it is definitely good because it is helping us to do our work very quickly. But when we think about the future generation, when they learn everything from scratch, at that point of time, if they just understand that, okay, ChatGPT is there to help us out, they can probably do the entire assignments, college assignments, school's assignment directly from ChatGPT. They may get the answer and they may just directly put. Not only that, guys, even writing a leave letter, they will not think of their mind like what they have to specifically write, and they may directly go ahead and ask ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will be there to give you the entire solution. By this way, I feel your creativity skills are going off. Even content writers, right? There are so many content writers who write different blogs, who write different things, right? Who write articles. They also will probably take the help of ChatGPT because ChatGPT will be able to provide you the solution very much quickly. Now, this is a bigger blunder that may happen, guys. So my suggestion to you all will be that always make sure that you try to learn something from scratch. Practice as well. Unless and until you don't practice it, even though you know that you may probably get a solution from ChatGPT, but practice well when you are a learner. Whether you're learning any technology, whether you're going to write any content, whether you're going to write any blogs regarding any subject as such, right? First of all, you give your best efforts and then probably try to make it better, right? Even translator work is also been taking handled by the entire ChatGPT, right? There's so many things. Obviously, there are so many jobs that ChatGPT can definitely hamper. But the most disadvantaged thing that I feel is that it will kill your creativity skills, right? That is the thing. Now, there are many people who may be thinking that, okay, ChatGPT may take out our jobs also. It may happen this. Yeah, it may happen in the future. Currently, what I feel, it is helping the developers to do their work quickly. Yes, at one point of time, we don't know what may happen because now Google is also probably coming up with its own chatbot, which will be able to answers like this, and they're still in the improvement stage, right? And ChatGPT, I don't know, like the next version may be a super model, right? Super NLP model, which can do many more tasks compared to now. So creativity is a thing that you cannot probably gain from any tools as such. Creativity is a thing that you can probably gain from your learnings, from your process, from your hard work, from your practices, from your own research. When you start working in that specific way, your creativity skills comes, right? So this is the thing that I probably want to talk about ChatGPT and creativity. Please be cautious, right, with respect to using ChatGPT. If you want to start, my only suggestion will be that if you want to start learning anything, learn it from scratch. Practice it, right? It may be, let's say, consider data science, right? You may get all the solutions, you may get code, right? You may get steps. But before that, learn it from yourself, right? Try to practice that. Try to see what kind of errors you are getting instead of directly asking the errors to the ChatGPT. This way, you will get to know the entire process. Once you probably get to know this process for multiple projects, let's say, then you will get to know like how you can probably solve the issue, right? Because understand, if I say that I'm 10 plus years of experience, right? This experience is with respect to the work that I've done, right? Yes, I may have done Google search during that time to find out issues, to fix the issues through the community and many more things. But now ChatGPT is so advanced that whatever question you specifically ask, you may get the answer. right? So always try to use this cautiously. Don't kill your creativity skill. Don't kill your experience. Unless and until you work on something, you solve that particular issue, then you get to know about that issue. And because of that issue, there may be other issues that may be happening. You will get to know about that also, right? But the thing that I feel is that yes, for the future generation, because in schools and colleges, right, all the assignments, everything was done by me, right? And because of that, I was able to become knowledgeable, right? I was able to have some creativity with respect to the subject that I'm studying. But now the situation is completely different. Everybody wants to do their work quickly, so they will directly take the help of ChatGPT, right? So this should not happen, guys. So please be cautious regarding this. Try to learn anything from scratch. Yes, when you want to done your work done quicker, right? Then definitely take the help of ChatGPT in companies and all if you're working. But don't make this as a habit to learn everything from ChatGPT. No, will directly get the solutions, but you'll not get that in-depth knowledge. That in-depth knowledge is required. Unless and until you don't get that in-depth knowledge, you will not be called as an experienced person. In this generation, someone says me, probably in the upcoming 20, 30 years, someone says me, I'm 10 years of experience. I will know that what kind of experience he or she will have. Probably taken the help of ChatGPT and all. But right now, for the people who currently are have passed out of the college, they are still in first year, second year, they're working, or let's say they're working in some companies, some startups, right? For them, ChatGPT will be helpful for their learning purpose, for finding out the solution quickly. For my generation specifically, I've seen everything, right? From 2005 till 2022, I've seen everything. I've seen the generation changing from mobile phones to laptops to desktops, and now ChatGPT. Obviously, so many AI solutions also I've seen. So I have actually done that kind of hard work. I've seen each and every phase. I've learned through things. I've fixed through things. I have solved complex problems. And that is the reason you see in most of my videos, I talk about my experience, like how did I solve this particular problem? Or if you probably see any of my machine learning videos, that I first of all talked in depth mathematical intuition and then probably go towards the implementation side, right? So it is good to learn in this way instead of skipping that part, which is the most hardest part, right? The learning from scratch is always the very hardest part, right? And probably once you learn from that and once you're solving problems, right, you will be able to solve multiple problems in an easier way, right? Yes, through some research, obviously, you'll probably do Google research and many more things. But now I see most of the people directly asking the solution to ChatGPT without even trying, right? So this is a suggestion that I would like to give everyone. Please make your learning completely from scratch. There is ChatGPT to give you the entire solutions. Don't go through that. Even coding practice problems also, right? Do it from scratch. Understand, build that logic building that is required. Once you are able to do that, then probably ChatGPT is the best friend of yours. But I still think what will happen to the future generation, So yes, let me know about your thoughts in the comment section of this particular video. I hope you like this particular video. Please make sure you share this video with everyone. I really want to know many people comments on this particular topic. Will it kill your creativity or not, right? And I feel yes, because now person who's even in the masters or PhD, for writing the thesis paper, right, they will be taking the help of ChatGPT. Before, it was more about experimentation. It was more about doing multiple things. Now, even word to word, if they really want to form a sentence, they will be thinking of ChatGPT. So this way, your creativity will go, right? So let me know about your thoughts in this particular video. Share this video with many people so that we get to know more comments, like what they think about ChatGPT with respect to creativity. So yes, this was it from my side. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.